Did you hear that? I have no idea what it was. Therefore, it's aliens or angels or the end of the world.